If you are looking for a natural way to boost energy and detox your body to help you feel lighter and stay fit in a healthy way, don't miss out on this juice. The combination of beetroot, celery, and fresh ginger helps provide rich electrolyte minerals. It charges your energy and supports a smooth digestive system. Before we start, which country are you watching this video from? Let me know in the comments. Let's get started with me right now. Here is everything I need to make this amazing. First is 1 small beetroot, peeled and diced. Next up, 2 to 3 fresh celery stalks, plus a small knob of fresh ginger for warmth, along with 1 apple for sweetness and half a fresh lemon. The first ingredient is celery. Look how fresh and juicy these celery stalks are. I separate the celery into small stalks under the tap. A quick tip: snap the stalks backward from the base and the tough fibers will pull right off, making the taste smoother. Then I quickly rinse them under running water. Many people usually just rinse it quickly, but celery stalks easily trap dirt and sand. So I use a soft brush to gently scrub and clean it thoroughly. I cut the celery stalks in half to fit them into the sink. Next, I add some salt to the water and soak the celery for about 5 minutes. After soaking, I rinse them once more with clean water. I remove the celery and let it drain completely. Now I cut the celery into short, small pieces about 1 knuckle long. Since celery fiber is quite tough, if you cut it too long, it can easily wrap around the blender shaft, making the machine work much harder. According to experts, celery is high in potassium, helping the body flush out excess sodium and effectively reducing bloating. Our second ingredient is beetroot. I pick out some fresh and firm beetroots. Next, I rinse the beetroots directly under running water. Since beetroots grow deep underground, their skin is covered in a lot of mud. Therefore, I use a small brush to thoroughly scrub the outer surface. Now, I proceed to peel away the skin completely. A quick fact: you should peel the skin very thinly, as the most potent antioxidants are highly concentrated just beneath the surface. After peeling, I dice the beetroot into small squares. Beetroot is very hard. The smaller you cut it, the faster the blender can smooth it out. Each slice sounds so crisp, revealing the deep, red, juicy texture that looks absolutely stunning. Nutritionists point out that beetroot is rich in natural nitrates, which perfectly support blood vessel dilation and regulate blood pressure. Finally, I put the freshly diced beetroot into the same large bowl with the celery from earlier. Our next ingredient is apple. Apples will help add natural sweetness to the juice. I place the apples in a bowl of water and sprinkle in a teaspoon of baking soda. I use my hands to thoroughly rub the outer skin of each apple. The sound of rubbing the apple skin under water sounds so clean and satisfying. I will let the apples soak here for about 10 to 15 minutes. This method helps remove any preservatives on the skin very effectively. After that, I rinse them thoroughly with clean water and take them out. Now I cut the apple in half. I use the tip of the knife to gently carve out the seed core inside. This step requires a little precision so you don't cut into the flesh. Removing the seeds is a must, as apple seeds contain compounds that are not good for your health when blended. After clearing the core, I slice the apple into thin pieces. According to experts, keeping the apple skin provides more soluble fiber and quercetin, a powerful antioxidant that protects heart health. Each apple slice is perfectly even, crisp, and gives off a lovely, sweet aroma. By slicing them thin, the apples will easily release all of their natural sugars during blending. This clean sweetness from the apple is the key to balancing out the pungent taste of celery. Finally, I add all the apples into the large bowl with the sliced celery and beetroot from earlier. Our next core ingredient is fresh ginger. I really love adding a bit of ginger to this recipe because of its pleasant aroma. It also helps make the juice more flavorful. First, I rinse the ginger briefly with water to wash away any dirt. I use a knife to cut away any damaged parts if needed. Then I use a spoon to gently scrape off the outer skin of the ginger. Using a spoon is not only fast, but also gets into small crevices without wasting the ginger flesh. Now I finely slice the ginger before putting it into the blender. By doing this, the aromatic essential oils in the ginger will be released much more. It helps make the juice much more fragrant and aromatic. Just a small amount is enough to create a warm, pleasant, and easy-to-drink feeling. According to medical experts, ginger is an excellent natural remedy containing gingerol, which helps stimulate digestive enzymes and protects the stomach when drinking juice on an empty stomach. And just like that, all of our ingredients are freshly prepped and ready to go. Look at this large bowl filled with vibrant, natural colors, so pleasing to the eye. After prepping everything, I proceed to put the ingredients into the blender. First, I drop the chopped ginger and diced beetroot into the bottom, right by the blades. Next, I layer the apples on top, and the very top layer will be the chopped celery. I add 200 milliliters of filtered water to the pitcher. This water will help the blender run much more smoothly. At the same time, it helps the ingredients blend evenly and get smooth much easier. Now, I tightly close the blender lid. I press the pulse button about 3 times to let the ingredients settle down. After that, I turn the machine onto its highest speed. I count exactly 45 seconds and then turn the machine off immediately. Blending quickly like this prevents the juice from heating up. Thanks to that, we can fully preserve the nutrients and live enzymes in the veggies. Now that it's blended, let's strain the juice. I prepare a large bowl and place a strainer on top. I slowly pour the blended mixture onto the strainer. I use a large spoon to press firmly on the pulp so the juice drains completely into the bowl. Look at this, the pulp left on the strainer is completely dry, and the juice underneath looks incredibly clear and smooth. The original deep red from the beetroot looks so rich right now. After straining, you will notice a fairly thick layer of foam on the surface of the juice. I use a spoon to gently skim off all this foam. This keeps my juice from changing color over time and prevents bloating when drinking. Once the juice is fully strained, now I squeeze in half a lemon. I don't blend the lemon early because the peel oils and seeds can cause bitterness. Adding it at the end like this keeps the flavor perfectly crisp and fresh. Interestingly, the acidity in the lemon creates a cool, color-changing magic. Look at that. The juice instantly transforms from dark red to a bright ruby red. This half lemon is the secret to masking the earthy beetroot and pungent celery taste, but lemon acidity stabilizes the betalain pigment in beetroot, keeping the beautiful color longer and preventing it from dulling. Now I just add some ice cubes to the glass and enjoy. The crisp, sweet tart taste of apple and lemon blends perfectly with the warm, spicy finish of ginger. Every sip instantly wakes you up, leaving you feeling incredibly refreshed. As for the remaining juice, I pour it into a clean glass bottle. Then I store it in the refrigerator to enjoy later. I maintain this routine every morning, 20 to 30 minutes before eating. It helps me feel full of energy and keeps my body healthy all day long. My body feels lighter, my stomach feels warm, and my skin looks fresher and more radiant every day. A small habit, but it brings a very positive change to my lifestyle. Give it a try tomorrow morning, just like me. I guarantee you will get hooked on this refreshing feeling. Don't forget to leave a comment below to share your thoughts. Thank you for spending time watching this video with me. If you find this useful, don't forget to like and share it with your family and friends. Wish you all stay full of energy and see you in the next videos.